your photographs, your videos, audios. So when it was actually created at that time, it was for for connecting with people who are far away from us, to know their well-being, that how they are, and that's how it was created.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And
it was a boon at that time, but right
oh,
now we are seeing the situation that recently there was a bomb attack, and there was a fight in Chhattisgarh where our 14 IS-14 jawans were killed in that. So all that was related to Naxalism, and Naxalism, the biggest feeder of the Naxalism is social media, because this social media manipulates people in a lot of way, which leads to favor of Naxalism by the people, because in the report after this fight, after 1 2 days, the report came and they said that and one Jawan told that the local people helped those Naxalis to fight against Jawans. So
okay.
it's like the army personals which are fighting for us, we the local people are fighting with those people who are trying to protect them. It was a bad effect of social media. And there were riots in South India also, regarding something posted on social media by a North Indian student. So it's a good thing that you can share on social media a lot of good information, but it's the bad information is also getting shared that much easily on social media. And people, there is a um, it's natural instinct of people that they believe bad
Okay.
things more easily instead of good things.
Okay.
So, yes, ma'am. So, and a more recent finding was there that a 26-year-old Avinash named guy killed himself because there was a gang who was blackmailing him for money, and if he does not give him, he will, leak his photoshopped private videos on the internet.
Okay.
So it's, and the
Okay.
cyber
So
crime
that
are
is, yeah, that
getting.
is a disadvantage, right?
Yes, ma'am. Cyber crimes are getting day by day very much increased. And apart from all these, if we left the crimes behind, what is left is people, are getting addicted to social media, posting their photos. They take a lot of time in posting. Then who like them? Then what should we write below them? Comment. Students are wasting a lot of their precious time on social media, and they are themselves saying this, that we are addicted to social media and we don't know how to get out of this social media thing. So it's being like a trap, because once you open Instagram, you saw a post, you saw a dress, then Mintra is also linked to that. They will start showing you those things. So it's related to shopping also, that they will encourage you to waste your money on shopping also, emotionally blackmailing you in some way, that you will, okay, I need this, I need that, even if you don't need that. So it was a thing which started from a boon, but overuse of anything is never good. So right now people are overusing it. They are completely dependent on social media for their lives, which is making them alone and depressed, and all these crimes are happening. So everything is good if it is used in a limited way. And teenagers, they should be using, their time is most precious one. So for them, it is very important that they use it in a very intelligent way. It's to gain as much as they can gain from it. And it is, for example, they can use it for getting networking. It is very important for your business, for your career, for anything, to connecting with a lot of people. It will help you to grow your business. It will help you to personally grow. That is very good with connecting with people. But being addicted to just social media, not attaining any skill, not doing your studies effectively, that will not take them anywhere but on this
Okay.
social media itself. So it's so my conclusion is that overuse of anything is bad, and right now
On
it is
this
happening. So
topic,
it's like a curse right now for a lot of people.
okay, okay. Part, what do you feel about this? Parth, are
Ma'am,
you
I
there?
feel yes, ma'am. I feel that social media is a boon. Ma'am, since social media, due to social media, the life of the people have improved very much. And ma'am, by this only we come to know many knowledgeable things. And ma'am, if for and for children only, or ma'am for the teenagers only, uh, ma'am, it is beneficial since if somebody is absent in the class, uh, by the way of social media, he she can take the notes from his or her friends. And ma'am,
Okay.
due to social media only, uh, s- uh, s- uh, the loneliness of the people are removed, or is decreased, since you meet many people in your daily lives. And ma'am, uh,
Okay.
ma'am, by the way of social media, I think and my social media is, for example, Instagram is very good for economy, since it is a very big business. uh, the brand value of Instagram only is is in billions. And yes,
Okay.
ma'am, if somebody, ma'am, using Instagram, I mean, uh,
Yeah, yeah.
when I'm using क्या कहते हैं, हाँ,
Using Instagram.
ma'am, one should use Instagram in such a way. For example, if you will use Instagram in an intelligent way,
Okay.
then you can use it. For example, if you want to use it for 1 hour uh,
Mm-hmm.
continuously, then you have to decide uh, that how can I use it. That will
Mm-hmm.
be in a that will be that can be in a intelligent way. That I think you can understand what I mean to say.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay. Sushil,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, what do you have to say
Yeah,
about this?
I think social media is good as well as and bad.
Mm-hmm.
It's a two thinking
Mm-hmm.
because if you depend to all social media, because social media is cannot do the anything, do cannot do the your outside work knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
But as well, social media is good because if you young age and do the any work and any business, so
Mm-hmm.
is that they good for you? For example, you can do the any business and a digital platform. It is
Mm-hmm.
the best option for you knowledge for social media.
Mm-hmm.
And as well, social media bad is your age in the childhood.
Mm-hmm.
So that it is not right option to you anytime if you can use to for the study purpose and as well good,
Mm-hmm.
and sometimes use the entertainment, so it is
Okay.
good, but you can use daily and watching the social medias daily chats, it's not a good things
Mm-hmm.
fast of anything. So it is those not is good, lot of changes to your out of mind changes. And you can use the talent to show on your social site as well. It is good because you have to promote your brand, your business, and after that you can use the social media for your promote and the win the lot of the traffic with this social media site.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Okay. Okay. Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am. Good evening to all of you.
good evening.
Uh, Ma'am, social media is in the current time is so much good, and in my observation, the need of the current generation is social media. Because social media is a combination of multiple things, like if you purchasing or uh, buying new things, then you go to a particular website or app. But in social media you can here purchase, buy, and connected with multiple people, and many more things here. So I think social media is good for the current time, and this is a mixture of many things like you can promote your business, and you can also do your business, and if you are not a entrepreneur, then you can utilize many things here, and you can update your knowledge according your interested. But social media is not secure because
Okay.
here data is not verified.
Hmm.
Many things are here are fake, so it depend on you how you take all the things and knowledge here.
Hmm.
So overall social media, I think it's a need of the modern time.
Hmm.
And here I am listening many people from the team telling us it's a addiction of social media, and if you are using without any limits, then it's addiction, like this type of talks I am listening here. But my thinking is different from this, because everything limit depends on the person, not anything. So
Okay.
if you are utilizing anything unlimited, then it's very harmful for you, and if you are using limited, then it's a good for you. So it depends on a particular person, not a you cannot blame to a social media. So in the modern time, social media is a combination of many things, like you can, if you want to buy anything, then you go to Amazon and Flipkart and Snapdeal and other platforms. But if you are using social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram, uh, etc., then you can see here your interested things, like if you are waiting anything purchasing, like you want to buy a laptop, and you are searching that when its price is comes like a low, then if you are using uh, social media, then you can see when the offer is coming in a particular product. So that type of things is very good for you, and you can connect it with your relatives and friends.
Hmm.
That's all, man.
Okay. Okay. Now the next topic is, what do you feel about women empowerment?
But ma'am, my one point also included in this social media topic.
What?
Currently,
Right.
ma'am, Australia and
Yeah.
Bangladesh and India also
Mm-hmm.
taking charges from the social media websites like Facebook for the advertising.
Okay.
But USA not allowed for this, and this issue is raised on a very high level, and in the highlighted, if anyone listen that type of news, so uh, our country also making a laws for this to show the means that the data is verified. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now next topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment. Okay. So now you have to write points about women empowerment. What do you feel about women empowerment, especially these days? Okay. So just think on this and then we'll start.
Ma'am, can you brief again women empowerment मतलब
Women empowerment.
what is empowerment? Ma'am, can you
विमेन जैसे कि है उनको किस तरह से आप बढ़ावा दोगे.
okay, okay, ठीक है, okay.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, ये according to a current situation or a overall situation?
Overall situation. Overall.
सो मैम मतलब अ, ये बताना है कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं या फिर कि अब तक कितनी हुई है और क्या
नहीं
स्टेज है ये
कैसे,
सारा?
नहीं कैसे कर सकते हैं, basically आप women empowerment कैसे कर सकते हो, and what do you feel about because if you see the interiors, like some parts of India, women are still not respected. So what do you feel about the current as well as the present situation, the previous situation and the current situation?
Okay.
Yeah, because we have been the government has been talking a lot about women empowerment. Please अपने phone side रखिए. Yeah. So the government has been talking a lot about women empowerment, but if you see the interiors of India, if you see the rural sectors of India, still there is no empowerment. So what do you feel and how do you think that women can be empowered? Okay. So this is the topic and you will have to speak on this.
I'm done.
Yeah, you can speak.
Ma'am, women empowerment in nowadays is very important, and ma'am, it is done in all over the world. Uh,
Okay.
Ma'am, in India as well, women's are taking part in the defense services, and ma'am, women's are, for example, doing the work which the men do the years ago. For example, driving trucks or autos, etc.
Mm-hmm.
And ma'am, if I talk about in world also, in US, ma'am, there are maximum number of women who are in defense services, and ma'am,
Okay.
many are working in the corporate sector.
Mhm.
And ma'am, in New Zealand, ma'am, ma'am, in New Zealand and Finland, the prime ministers are women only. Uh,
Okay.
in India also, ma'am, there are a lot of initiatives taken to uh, empower the women. And ma'am, I think the government is able to
Mm-hmm.
empower uh, empower the women. Ma'am,
Okay.
for
Empower the women.
yes, and ma'am, nowadays only there was a heavy deployment of women in defense forces. Thank you, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
And ma'am, and one more thing,
Okay.
the maximum number of teachers in the schools are
Yeah.
women only.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Sushil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, um, women need to all rights because she is very snowman and she is do the all work if they are home on track office and she is no our family good or bad it is all you know and she is very time to the job she does not take the rest. So,
Mm-hmm.
as per my opinion, the women, we will
Mm-hmm.
decide to all family members like to do you take the office holiday if they job or business from the base purpose of the enjoy and day of the day. So I give to all mothers week of 1 day holiday. Now she's do the everything without only cooking of the food.
Okay.
So that's all, ma'am.
Okay. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, in my opinion, women also now both men and women both are equal according to the government, and the normal citizen thinking also changed. So you can take an example like in our country, the finance minister is also woman, and I am taking another example of from the previous time. The main leading role give to the only the gents, like the hero. But in the current time, the main leading role also doing by the women's. Like you can take a example of Manikarnika movie, and currently upcoming movies Ne- Neva Sehwal. So, so Mary Kom movie is also in this. Pranita Chopra also performing a main role, leading role. So things are changes very rapidly. So I think both are equal. So so already, ma'am, the empowerment of the women also increased day by day, and the participant also of in the working sectors both are equals, and grooming.
Mm-hmm.
So I think no doubt for the for this both are equal and doing well. So and in the many jobs I am observing that the women's doing very well according to the men's, like in the conversations and the handling the clients. So many things.
Okay.
That's all,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now I've given you a situation in the chat. Okay. Today the weather was very pleasant, and I decided to venture out and meet my friends. Okay. However, looking at the present scenario, my parents objected. Can you see the chat?
मैम मुझे नहीं
Yes,
बोलना.
Wait. Can you see the chat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So I have given you the present situation. Okay. Today the weather was very pleasant, and I decided to venture out and meet my friends. However, looking at the present scenario, my parents objected. Okay. Now, after that, you have to make a build a story. Okay. Yeah, Pooja, tell me. Siddharth,
Ma'am,
mute yourself. Siddharth, mute yourself.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Pooja.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, women empowerment means raising the standard and the lifestyle and condition of women in a country. And right now, India is still considered a patriarchy society. But that does not mean that India has not tried to raise the situation of the women in India. There are a lot of schemes started by government. For example, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Ujjwala scheme, Nirbhaya scheme, and Swadhar scheme, and there were Mahila Suraksha Kendra. So government had tried its best, and in cities, quite there is, a position of India is getting better. And as my fellow classmates told just right now, that in government also allowed girls to enter in the defense forces also. So
Yes.
it's like government has, in the law we are equal. Government has given the right equally to women as given to the man. It is now the matter of the society. Government has done its part. It's is government is into the part of making women better and better. But implementation is in the hands of the people also, that how society looks at it, how parents looks at their daughters. There are still a lot of families, when a girl born into their house, they say very sadly that, oh, it's a girl child. So it's in the matter of the society that they have to accept it, that what is the importance of women. And for that, women also have to try to make themselves better. For example, a girl child mostly thinks that you know she easily agrees with it, that okay, she has to study up to what her parents will tell her, and then she will go and marry to other guy. So in that situation, when she was going to get married, her father gives half of her life's earning in that marriage only. And this is the main reason, one of the main reasons, that parents or family members feel very depressed when a girl child happen, because they thought, when how will we arrange the money for her marriage, and how will from where will the money come for when she would have child and all these things. So for that, a girl should try to be independent, that she will not become a baggage on her parents also, if they cannot have enough money to have a good wedding for her. So she should also try to be independent and not dependent on her husband, on her father, on
Okay.
anybody. It's a personal choice of a girl, so she should try to do that. And
Okay.
in return, society, what society can do that is, when a girl learns something and educates, so society will always believe that yes, she should always apply her education in the work only. She cannot speak in the household matters. She cannot enjoy her life in certain ways. She should always be silent. She should wear that. She should wear that. So these type of mentality should be uh, changed by the society itself. And the world will change when people will change their thinking. And
Okay.
it starts from your own home. So women empowerment, everybody is trying, for government is trying, officers are trying, because a lot of officers are lady officers, so they are all trying. Now it depends on you, that you should take all the advantage, that they are officers are like right there for you. If anything wrong is happening with you, you should take
Okay.
advantage and do the best you can do for yourself. And then it will change once you start changing yourself.
Okay. So what, like you are saying that women should first take, she should come and take a step themselves.
Yes, man, they should not become a victim of something, because women are always seen as a, they are born to feed their child and take care of their husband and their family. It's considered that only, always. If they are doing job, 90% of people think that they are doing job because their husband is not capable of earning enough for their family. That's why they are doing job. If you see a businessman family where there are a lot of money in that family, they will say like, why does she need to do a job? Why don't she sit at the house? We are giving her everything she wants. She should not go there. And if she goes there and anything happens, then there are little dramas, that why do you talk to her, why do you walk like that, why do you talk like that, and these type of small mentality happens. So why it is happening? Because women always accepted that yes, their only duty is to feed their child and to take care of their husband and their family and maintain their reputation. The the boys are never told that how to treat a girl. They are never
Mhm.
told that do not use these
So you,
mentality.
you're trying to tell that at least women should, have self-respect,
Yes, ma'am, they
self-respect,
show.
and they should come up for their own, and they should fight for their own rights, right?
Yes, they should fight for their own rights, and women in turn, always stand up against women, because if a girl is
Yes.
wearing something, the other woman will say she's so
So
what's it
basically,
based on?
there should be more of women, themselves, empowering themselves.
Yes, ma'am, because
Because
boys take use of that, because they know that, okay, she was wearing a short dress and I can take use for that if I want to make her look bad. Mom, she was wearing the dress like she's a slut. So they are
oh,
taking advantage. Boys always take advantage when they want to take, because they know that society will, turn this in onto the boy, onto the
okay,
girl.
now great. Okay, now Pooja, the second one is I have given you the situation. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
now can you see the chat, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I've given you the situation, and after the parents object, now start making the story. Today the weather was very pleasant, and I decided to venture out. What do you mean by venture out? I decided to go outside and meet my friends. However, looking at the present scenario, my parents objected.
Yes, ma'am. So my parents asked me to, are you out of your mind? Right now it's COVID and everybody is saying stay at your home, and you are asking me to get out of the
Mhm.
house. In this situation, we cannot let you go out.
Mhm.
But I asked them that I had made plans with my friends.
Then I told them, not asked, then I told them.
Then I told them that I had already made plans with my friends, and I had promised them that okay, we will get out, because it's a good weather. I cannot say no now. So then
Okay.
they asked me that okay, tell me, where are you going? So ma'am, where am I going?
Mhm. Anywhere, let's say to a mall or any place nearby. So,
Actually, ma'am, I am nearby. I don't have a mall. I have a mountain which I go on for hiking.
so nearby means anywhere, like
Okay, okay, ma'am.
within
So
within like 1 or 2 or let's say three kilometers span, like yeah, 3 4
okay,
kilometers.
uh, so I asked them that we are going on this small mountain that we have, and there
Mhm.
are no people on that mountain right now. You know that there is crowd only on the festive days. So
So you
right
can
now
say
there.
that we are going to sightseeing or we are going to explore the nature or something like that.
Okay. So I told them that we are going for sightseeing and hiking on that small mountain, and there
Mhm.
would be no people except the pandits,
Okay.
and there would be us, and all of my friends would be properly sanitized, and will take care of their masks, and all of them are COVID negative. They just had their test yesterday, so they are all COVID negative, and we would go in our own car
Mm-hmm.
with the
With
driver,
uh-huh.
who is also sanitized properly, and the food, and Neeti is bringing all the food for us, because she is giving us
Okay.
the treat of her birthday, because I left out of her birthday, so she's giving me it right now, so she will bring all the food. So it's like
Okay.
it would be completely hygienic, and everything would be completely protected. So after listening to this, my parents agreed with me and said, "Okay, I will trust you that you will take care of yourself, because you are a big girl now, and you know what is good and bad for you. So take care, and come soon at the time at home." And then I left the home. That was it, ma'am. Hello.
Just 1 minute, 1 minute. My dog is barking. Just a second. 1 minute. Yes, tell me. Okay. Parth, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Today the weather was very pleasant and I decided to venture out and meet my friends. However, looking at present scenario, my parents objected, but I said that I will take all the precautions uh, by wearing two masks and taking sanitizers and following the proper social distancing. But they said that no, there is lot of cases and the virus is nowadays very deadly. But I resisted it, and I did many efforts to make my friends to go to for me letting me go to a picnic with my friends since I was meeting them after a very long time. Uh, so uh, I I tried my best to uh, make them and let me go to the picnic, but they resisted it and did not allow me to go to the uh, picnic.
Okay.
Hence, I was very disappointed, and I said, "Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Sushil,
Ma'am, can I leave now? If
you have to go for your next class.
no, ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, वो सारा बोल दिया ना तीन
Okay,
का.
okay. Okay, Parth, just wait a second. In the group, I have shared a YouTube link. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
ma'am.
yeah, after the class, whenever you get time, just open that link. There'll be few tongue twisters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You need to practice those tongue twisters, and tomorrow in the class, we'll revise that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in that group only, I have given you the link. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, Sushi. Tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am. So today I'm decided to meet my friends.
Yes.
After long since time, we meet our friends. I will decide to they are meet me previous
Mm-hmm.
memories location.
Mm-hmm.
So I am so excited. We are meet to all of friends in the mall in the cafe shop.
Mm-hmm.
But my parents it's not agree to meet my friends and you not to go outside station because
Mm-hmm.
currently is COVID-19 virus is very dangerous and he is also meet the people they are also catch of the virus.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm saying to my parents, I'm also take the precautions and use the masks and use the sanitizer and
Okay.
keep the distancing. Then I have meet my friends.
Mm-hmm.
So he is agree and he is also warned me. So please
Mm-hmm.
take the precautions and keep the distancing. Then I'm coming to timing at your home. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, today the weather was very pleasant, and
Mm-hmm.
I decided to venture out and meet my friends. However, looking at the present scenario, my parents objected. Then, my parents explained me why I cannot move to meet my friends. Then the current situation is COVID, so it's very harmful. Then I am also a responsible person for our family. Then
Okay.
then I have cancelled my plan because the first priority is health. So I am also thinking our health and my family health. So I'm cancelled that type of situation
Mm-hmm.
because
Okay.
COVID is so much dangerous for us.
Mm-hmm.
So please, I am also suggested to everyone, please take up precautions which are explained by
Mandate.
the government.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I
Okay.
think you also told her before 2 or 3 days. You
Yes.
also tested COVID test.
No, I have not done test. I have not done COVID. I still have to do.
Okay.
But I am having fever now also. But I will,
Yes.
yeah, I am waiting actually for 2 3 days more to, so that maybe it's viral. You never know. So that is why.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so I'm still running fever and cold and cough. So that is
Yeah, ma'am. First is the most important thing is health. If you are healthy, then you can do
yes,
anything.
yes, absolutely. Okay, now in your chat, I have written few words. Okay, what do you mean by adverse?
Adverse
Adverse, yes.
means that advice.
No, adverse. ADVERSE. What do you mean by that?
Okay.
Pooja, any idea? Adverse means any unfavorable condition. Any unfavorable condition.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Sushila,
Thank you.
Sushila, are you writing?
Can you please repeat again, ma'am?
Adverse. Adverse is any unfavorable situation.
Unavailable situation.
Yes, unfavorable
Means, ma'am.
means not favorable. Something which is adverse, something which is not right. So that mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, something which is not favorable. Like let's say um,
किसी काम के लिए agree नहीं है अभी.
no, 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 no. Something like let's say this weather is not favorable. Is This weather is adverse? Okay, this weather is too adverse means this weather is too bad or not favorable. Okay, this weather is adverse for animals to survive means this weather is not that favorable for animals to survive. Okay, adept क्या होता है? ADEPT, adept.
एडजस्ट करना मैम.
No, adjust करना नहीं. Adept,
अच्छा ये
not
वाला डेप्ट.
yes. ADEPT.
ओके.
EPD means you are proficient in something. Proficient. You are proficient in some field, in something. You're proficient in something. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Agile. What do you mean by agile? What do you mean by agile? What do you mean by agile? Agile is to move very quickly and easily. To move quickly and easily. Okay. That is the meaning of agile. What is anguish? Anguish क्या होता है? सुशील, anguish क्या होता है?
Anguish means मतलब I have no idea.
Angry. Somebody
Angry.
who's angry. Angry. Somebody who's angry. Yes.
Anguish. Angry.
Yes. Yes. Apathy.
Uh,
नो फीलिंग्स मैम.
Sorry.
No lack of sympathy or empathy for someone
No.
who has
No.
nothing, no
No.
feelings and
No.
no
No.
emotions.
No. No. Apathy. Apathy. Not empathy or sympathy. Apathy. APATHY. Apathy is that you lack interest. That you lack enthusiasm. Apathy. You lack interest in doing something. You lack enthusiasm.
मतलब इसको कैसे यूज करेंगे मैम?
मतलब आप कोई भी काम करने की आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, इच्छा नहीं है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, because of my fever, I lack apathy in doing anything. in getting up also. Means you are losing interest in whatever comes your way. You don't have that much of interest. Okay. You don't have that much of enthusiasm to do. Like, for example, at night, I feel apathy to write. Means I don't have that energy to write. So I'm losing that enthusiasm to write. Okay. Assault is a violent attack. Assault is called a violent attack. Okay. So now for all these sentences, you will have to make, for all the words, you will have to make sentences. Okay. So your homework is to make sentences for all these words in a story form.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
And in your WhatsApp group, I have shared a link of tongue twisters. Just see that, hear that, and revise that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Good night. Take care.
Okay, good night. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, good night, ma'am.
Good night.